But Shepherd, what to your daughter?
What?
How much daughter you have? Now must Denise me talk about?
You know what to do? Come here, you disappear for the earth. And you call, and you right. Take care of them there.
Shepherd, don't say that. Don't say that. You know, find the stranger shouldn't reach out to you.
You better tell me that, There's something wrong with him. He would have reached out to daddy. But I'm a big one now, so. If I mean I get no vision, you know you're alright. One piece?
No, Shepherd, me alright. Me dinner already. You have a prayer meeting this evening?
But you not forget me inside here. Me must have a prayer meeting. You want peace? You have to promise up.
I wish we didn't know my parents.
Mom to them.
Them dead in a car accident.
No man. That's sad. Sorry to hear. So, how will raise you?
I'm a grandmother raised me. Then I gone to foster home. And they would want to kill this boy.
Careless? Why? What is a careless? What do you mean? Careless now work? Or careless put him on fire?
The two of them.
What's that? So, I went there now.
I don't know and I don't care.
What's that? Are the boys still alive?
Yeah. But think so. Why?
It's because if I'm me in the play, put your hand on game away, matters to that final destination.
I don't kill him.
Toni-Ann, you're being so. Toni-Ann, I beg you. I can't take no more. I can't take no more, please. Oh, Lord.
But we give him a proper beating.
Proper beating? Where's the proper? You mean proper beating or proper beating?
I say, Patsy, I drive him down the stairs, I step in a boy's chest and beat things.
Oh! Boy! Me like you. You could have been my little sister. Yeah, you have to beat man.
You have to beat man?
Yeah! And that me the one with the boy when left me. What's my run away?
You did want to beat him for left you?
Yeah, of course. Hey, let me tell you this. You think I could start the boy start me? You think I could run down the boy, run me down? I come to him so I don't want nobody? Honestly, it's right as I start starting a boy, right as I let boy in my life. Why not, my friend?
Seriously? That cool.
Yeah. You see why I want to put the boy in my eyes?
Well, you ever just slow them for time, yeah, Patsy?
That's when you're still skinny and me, but so have the patience. Listen, alright now, if I see the boy, I'm still I get it.
But you're in a one good relationship now. You don't need to medicine no more.
Man, I feel like I get justice. And me want justice. We want justice.
So, Chris make you happy?
Well, duh. Yeah.
Then focus on that.
Hello, listen, I'm not gonna let myself kill this just so. Still have to watch the boy out to have one year. Alright?
Come on, Patsy. You can't use other people for to fry who you're there with now.
Here we are. Yes, long time, big man. What's the way you would start like you've been through many relationships?
No, but my big man friend will teach me some things.
No? Young man who drive the black car?
Yeah, bubbles.
Well, you can say anything you want to say. Me, so I keep up my girl.
Well, if I that you want to do, We're going to sit down outside the court. In your hat.
That true.
Mildred, me go up at church up at the prayer meeting now, yeah?
Alright, Shepherd, turn around, turn around.
How?
Shepherd, how you go? Prayer meeting or bird bush? You never dash them closer when you move in.
You know, Mildred, if me never have certain feelings for you, the way I would have answered you tonight, me couldn't go prayer meeting again. Because they will have a prayer for me. That's why, Mildred, me good clothes them. I bright, me